Recruiter, are you tired of uploading same document to the cloud again and again and explaining your business and process every single time and searching through the old chart thread just to find where you explain everything so you don't have to rebuild again? Then this video is for you. Today we'll learn how to use Claude Project to solve this very problem. Let's go on the video. Now, I will start with a simple analogy about the problem. Let's suppose that you hire a very brilliant recruiter. What happens is that he do every task you ask, he's brilliant on that. If you explain it, he do cross on that. But what happened? Every morning he comes, he have the hard information that you give yesterday, and he lose his memory every time. And you have to re-explain the nuances of your niche, your client, and process. And every day it's going on and on. He do the good work, but he forgot about that. And this is the same thing happening you right now, that you give all the thing data about your business processes and cloud come up with the good ideas. And what happened again, when you have to do again research, you have to then again explain your business, your niche and thing. For this very problem we solve with the project, and imagine that it's like an employee who have everything understanding, go through all the training, he have everything in the back end, have resources, and we want to go there. Now, left hand side bar you have this small icon called project. You just open whenever you have a Claude, just open it that. Now in this we have a range of your project when you're using, and you can just change update over time. It's happening again and again. So, and it depends on the verticals, which vertical, and talk about the vertical that's relate for every recruiter. And there are some vertical that you have newer, you want to have yourself to make little bit customization. The project is very simple. You go in knee and say talk and just type it like it is like business development, business development. Now in this project we discuss about client acquisition from content, cold call, referrals, and other. Now I just explain a little bit. You can just add as much detail, but it doesn't matter at all. Let's cancel this one. Let's see. Sometimes happen. Now, as you see, it's a very different interface than the normal chat one do. You have three more thing here. I will explain everything in detail. Now, first of all, go to memory. So this is the very crux of that, because you can just read here. Just starting chat, keep a conversation organized and reused per project. Means that whatever you discuss and talk, have a conversation in this chart with many chart of yard, you don't have to create only one chart, you can create many chart. It have a context of that, you just summarize it and put in the back of the memory, so you know. So this will give the example that you have not explained the nuances. If you explain any place, you already know about it. Well, and this is what used for the project. So the memory is simply about that he have the knowledge what you talk about in this project. That's all. It's not complicating all the exacts. No. Now let's go to file and then I go to instruction. The file. So it's very important to have a file because it's a very heart of it that you have documents, because every chart right now you're uploading a document, a business, what it's about, and explaining a thing. But it create a lot of friction because you have to upload again and again the same file and thing. But what happened that when you have to upload everything in that, it refer every time you have a chart, it refer this file hub, so you don't have to explain thing. Let's have the business development. I can explain. Okay, this is my third day plan in a proper workflow chart. These are the messaging I use. These are the channel we are using. These are the format. These are the dashboards, start analytics. So every time you go, it just refer back. So you don't have to individually upload the file in that. And this is the whole about that. That you get a separate file section, you can upload everything, so you can discuss about, and you have a memory that can recall on that. And it's very useful that you have different project on different verticals like business development, sales. You have one other for like content creation, another for like candidate intelligence. If you go different vertical, you can upload a proper format document that help you to just do more activities, because at the heart of that all the AI, the more context, specific context you give, the more the result become accurate and more customized for you. That's how we do. Now let's talk about the what kind of project as a recruiter you can have. Let's go in that. Now there are four particular project I'm just giving to right now for that is useful for every recruiter. One is business development BD project, one is sales, content and candidate. Now you need to also know that what file you need to upload as minimum. That's for BD project you have to upload the ICP. I suggest to just upload who is your best client, just scrape on their website and put a summary on that and put in the ICP. Okay, these are the best client, these are the website, getting a knowledge on that target list and your BDs. And I would write to you just have to just best email and content, email writing, outreach messages, also funnel structure. What's how it's they go like from you just cold call, then you they go from particular discovery meeting, then you have a nurturing process. Just explain everything so you have an idea of how the whole grand of scheme work. This thing. And what's come out? It's just like personalized outreach, follow-up sequence, and objection resolve thing. That's just again like for sales project. You have a call intelligent pattern. You every time record it, have document it. We have resources, and this I tell again and again. Document the your business processes and thing and properly. Use phantom firewalls. It's whatever your choice. Log everything. What is called that after every phantom you can analyze the thing and you can just find what's objection pattern, what's the counter strategy, language work, what are the thing they are talking about, what's the trend on the market. You can find a lot of stuff, and where also that where your sales recruiter are falling out, what's the what it's struggling to them. You can find a lot of stuff there. But this again for content, you can just read over that. And and this is all about you can upload, but in the next video I will also talk about how to just go to external link and just find the details all about when you have not real-time data that every time you can pull up like whole video transcript and upload it. That's a hassle, but I talk about how to use that also. Let's go again in here. Now now how it work. It's very important that how it's work. I give it example before going on anything. Now let's suppose that I have a simple message I just write about. Yeah, it's a simple message I just write about. Just make sure that thing. This is like a normal prompt look like, and you don't need like a 3 page of prompt like some people talk about. It's like like what do you need to do? What's the thing? Give it all in the context. What the methodology and just write it. Let's suppose I give the example on that project. Just write in project, but it doesn't have file. It is work as a normal chatbot. That's the thing because it doesn't have any project file. It's working as simple. Text every time. Let's see what's the result come out, and I will upload the my file and then see how the result come. Now you can see that it have like this. The company just rated raise how it's done before it's you send outreach to this week. Most call go to cold, and either goes to that not thing after you have sent 20 minutes, but every single one opponent congratulations raise. So you're building on that. So these are the kind of messaging he's writing before and after. And now the other thing you can read. It's good. It's not like just awful. You have context, but it's not that we write. Now let's go to project again. Let's upload the my file. My file just upload. Yeah. Now again I put the same prompt here and I said okay, refer the files project app. I just talk that and that's good. How it's right. It go to through that. read the project file. Once you read it, you just have a rag model, so you don't have to just spending too much co- tokens also, because it's very inefficient that uploading every file you have to read it. Let's see how it's work. Okay, let's see how it's work, and let's see. Does it then think I have to change or not? Because it's a very simple task I do. Let's see. Let's see. Hi, first name. Most recruiter find out company hiring when the job ad drops. Okay. The best one I found were the week earlier. Then customer see close and BP sales started. Before signal outreach, you are on the LinkedIn at the end job board opening Apollo. There is a tab deep on that. Hour later, you have a handful of names, and hiring manager already had two calls with agency or got fast. Okay, let's say after. We wake up shortlist hiring manager who are actively in a budget window and flagged funding announcement. Let us see that head account movement. The version with after the hearing is 14 days, and after that, you brief get distribute you one of the seven agencies in the most. Now, the recruiter consistently winning the down brand are not making more calls. They are making the right calls at the right people at the right moment. And if you are open 20 minutes, so then how to work practical, I will show you that. Now, this change a little bit. It's not perfect. I don't say it is a perfect email. This is just give me the idea. Okay, these are the kind of right, but this gives save a lot of time to me. Hmm. Now, what's the PD all about? You can see it's all about if you go. It's the content is about what are the hook. I think it's work. It's not like it's a lot of stuff. It's there. It's a lot of thing that I think there's a messaging. I think it's work, and I can use. It's not too crazy about that. So this is kind you have the same thing. Like what are the messaging you can work? What are the thing you can work? Just write it. Like some particular messaging style, particular angle. It work for your niche. Write it. If you have any hook, just write it. I just put in the docs and upload it and see how it work because it get to refer that docs and get a little bit done. You can also say okay, now the iteration work good. No, I think use other angle from the docs. No, okay, paradox, ghost mandate. No, these are the thing that I have in a document. Let's say okay, these are the thing. It's not about like I write okay this kind of message. Is I write okay these are the angles I write. Okay, these are the thing I can write, and it's have to know the knowledge. And let's about that. Okay, let's this paradox. The most expensive person doing the cheapest work and admin rate. 20 we can do after that. Let me see. You can read through that. It changes a little bit. Now let's go to our main thing. Now, what's the purpose of this whole scenario? I showed everything that it's I do every day. It's about reducing the time friction and making the cloud have the context and easy to brainstorm and having somebody to just juggle the memory because it's imp- it's very difficult to me to go to like 30 15-page docs that I write on myself. What okay these are the messaging, these are okay, these are the hook I think okay, it's work for that. Okay, I just write okay anything I find good I just put in the docs. It's very difficult to go through or I have mental cap. I have mental cognitive like it's called a psychology called like cognitive energy, and this is bandwidth. It's very limited. You can't just force to every task to do. So it just reduce it. If you say, yeah, okay, these are the things, just find out what are the relevant on that, it find it. And you can also put, okay, just find a relevant on that. And you can, it's just reduced time. You don't have to explain. And that's how you want to be. Just try to just have four, I give the four one, just upload a couple of document and try to write thing and see how it work. Because it's about going ladder and ladder, above and above. It's going on, and I will teach more about in next video about how to use properly on the six scenario because there is a lot of thing in the next video we talk about, because right now there is one limitation. I can't put like every information every time that I have, because I have a docs in in this bar that I always open, that's putting that, and I can just always just re-upload a file. That's the too much hassle for me. So I will tell you that how to connect the external link so you can just bring the real-time data, so you don't have to just upload again and again, and how to just extract information from your business other tools. And that's the wondering network, because imagine that you have a phantom and just you can extract information. Imagine you have can extract from your data from your CRM for writing on that. For example, like I give you one example, and then and I close this video. That let's say for the same outreach, I write a particular person. I give the analogy, and it's about that I do research, and that's stored in the CRM. You can CRM, and you can say, okay, this is the person that I want to write outreach. And what happened that he have a ability to just go to the CRM, find the name, find the context about that, what's the problem we talk about, pull it back, find our context window from the hooks, and then pull it back and then write it. That went nice. And that's what we're doing. It's not about magic to do, but it's kind of magic, because you're getting information uh, very smaller, and everything is in very congruent manner. Now that's all from me. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. I will try to answer everybody. Have a great day. Bye.